Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to know if someone blocked you in Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so if you want to know or if you want to learn, just follow the steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we need to do, guys, is we need to go to the Google Meet website, and after that, guys, you will see their dashboard. Okay, so we have here the new meeting button. Okay, you can click that one and start an instant meeting. It's up to you guys what you wanted. Okay, so just have to click that one and just have to wait for a sec to start the meeting. Okay, so here, guys, on the left side, you as you can see here, the box or the white box, so the pop-up, guys, so you just have to click this add others button. Okay, so let's say, guys, if you want to add someone here and you weren't able to see their names here on the list, so that's means, guys, they block you in Google Meet. Okay, so the other way to do that, guys, okay, just have to end this call. So the other way to do that, guys, is go to the right here, left side, and click these calls. Okay, so if you search their name here or someone's name, so if let's say Kant, okay, so there's a lot of Kant here, and you can see their names on the list. Okay, let's say King. Okay, let's say King. Okay, it's also there. What else? Let's say J. What else? Kim, Alex. So, guys, if you type the specific name of that person, guys, and they are not on the list, guys, that means that they block you in Google Meet. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Meet. Thank you.